Hi guys, sorry I've been away for a while. I went on vacation, came back, got sick, and lost my voice. I'm fine now, so here is a refreshing mango avocado salad recipe that you will absolutely love. These are all the simple ingredients, which I will list right below the video. Ripe avocados, these are the Hass variety. Ripe mangoes, these are champagne mangoes, which are the best you can get where I live. Use whichever mangoes you can get that are sweet and are not fibrous. Small tomatoes, cherry or grape, cilantro or flat leaf parsley. For the dressing, I'm using fresh lime juice. Make the dressing first. Squeeze the juice right into a measuring cup. Add salt, honey to balance out the tartness of the lime, red chili flakes, and olive oil. Whisk that really well and you have a simple but tasty dressing. Cut the tomatoes in half. Put that into a big bowl. Peel the mangoes. Cut them in half close to the pit. Cut the sides off. If you're not used to slicing mangoes, they are a little slippery, so you can use gloves to be safer. Mangoes are not always perfect inside. If you see these white spots or any hard fibrous parts, just cut them off. You don't want to bite into it while eating the salad. Cut the flesh into bite-sized pieces. The pits are like fresh mango popsicles. Your kids will love to suck on them. I'm like a kid, so I do too. These mangoes are perfectly ripe. Just the smell alone will make you want to dig in. Next, finely chop the cilantro or parsley. Save the avocados for last so they don't turn brown. Use a cloth to safely remove the pit from your knife. Go around the avocado half with your finger and remove the skin. You'll get perfect cut pieces this way rather than cutting and scooping them out in the shell. They should be in big bite-sized pieces so they don't fall apart in the salad. These avocados are creamy and perfectly ripe. Make this salad only with ripe avocados and mangoes for the best taste. Pour the dressing over and mix gently so you don't mash the avocados. I'll try a tomato. Needs a little bit more salt. Mix that all up. You can add more chili flakes too if you like it spicy. I kept eating this salad as it was one of the best ones I ever made. My daughter couldn't get enough of it either. We were both missing the really sweet mangoes from Puerto Rico. Now I make it for her lunch and pack a protein separately so she has everything she needs. So this salad is a very good lunch option to take to work or school. I promise you won't get any complaints from your family. They'll definitely ask for more, so you'll have to keep buying mangoes. These juicy, sweet mangoes are only in season for a few months, so we'll get our fill for that short time. The silky tangy dressing is addictive and perfect with the sweet mangoes. Make the salad and let me know how you like it. See you next time. Thanks for watching.